answer from you. Gonna need a home. You expect to dream now what and true. What and true. Going back to that's much too long. It's time to do something good for my health. It's time to do something good for myself. 10 years strong, that's much too long. It's time to do something good for my health. It's time to do something good for myself. I wasted all this time. I wasted all this pain. Journey back to me, wanting you, wanting you. Departure from the air, wanting you, it's wanting you. Journey back to me, wanting you, wanting you. Departure from the air, wanting you, wanting you. I'm gonna fight them all. 7 Nation Army couldn't hold me back. They're gonna wrap it all, taking that sound right behind my back. And I'm talking to myself right now because I can't forget. Back and forth through my mind behind a cigarette. And the message coming from my eye says, leave it alone. cha-cha. Far from this opera forevermore. I'm gonna work the straw, make the sweat drop from every pore. And I'm bleeding, and I'm bleeding, and I'm bleeding before the Lord. And the stain coming from the day that's coming, I'll say no more. And the stain coming from my blood, just coming home. Yeah, As you guys noticed, Michael Jackson passed away this summer, but because hopefully we're able to get Michael Jackson back to play with us.